Today at the Carefree Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make this really cozy and cheesy one-pot pasta bake. This is my taco pasta, and this is warm and cozy and cheesy and filled with taco seasoned ground beef, and then has your favorite taco seasonings on top. For the ingredients, you can really use any kind of pasta that you like. I really love a cavatappi pasta, but today I have some fusilini, and then we have some ground beef, and this is just 85/15. And then I'm also seasoning it with some onions, some diced onion, and then some peppers, and any peppers you have in your fridge will be great. And then I have some salsa, some minced garlic, and then this is the taco seasoning. And then we're going to put cheese inside of it, and then also on top it'll be nice and bubbly and melty and delicious. Okay, so I'm going to salt my water that I'm going to cook my pasta, and then you can just cook it according to your package directions and cook it until it's al dente. And then I'm going to cook up some onions and some peppers. Okay, so the peppers are a little bit translucent, and now I'm going to add my garlic, and now I'm going to add my ground beef, and then also my taco seasoning. And now we'll just mix this up until all of the ground beef is nice and cooked through. Okay, and my beef is just about done. As you can see, like, we have quite a bit of liquid in here, but most of that is just the water liquid because it was a reduced fat beef. So I don't need to worry about draining any of that fat out of there. That's going to be just fine. Okay, and now my noodles were done. I'm just going to let them sit here for just a minute. To this, I'm going to add my salsa and about half of the cheese. Just give that a quick little stir, and then we're going to coat our pasta in this. And add our pasta right to the pan. And now we'll just get all of those flavors on our pasta. And I like to turn the oven on broil for just a minute. And since all of these ingredients are already cooked, you can just broil the cheese on top for just a minute. Now, the last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to top it with the remaining cheese, and you can add a little bit more if you want to. All right, this is our taco pasta. Now I'm just going to put it into the oven for a few minutes and until it gets nice and golden and bubbly on top. All right, here is my taco pasta bake. This is warm and cheesy and melt in your mouth, delicious. This taco pasta is one of our easy go-to 30-minute dinners that is easy to have on hand. If you have a pound of ground beef in your freezer, then you are ready for this meal. All right, so now it's time for a taste test. And I mean, all of those flavors, if you've never tried taco pasta, this is your opportunity. All right, here we go. Get a little bit of sour cream there. It's so good. The flavors in this, the Tex-Mex is just on point. And the cheese on top is so good. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Carefree Kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. And of course, the recipe is on my website. You can just Google the Carefree Kitchen taco pasta and it will come right up. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.